hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Homeschool. I am Nasima Akter, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal, English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a general science class for class Junior 1 students. Dear students, our today's topic is one word answer. Today we will practice one word answer of our annual term all together. Let's see today's topic from here. Students, our today's topic is one word answer. Today we will practice all together of our annual term, and this is our RW class, and this is lecture number 12, and SW number is 12 also. So dear students, let's begin the class. Students, you can see I have written here one word answer. Here is total 7 one word answer question and answers. One number question here is, which is made by paper? Answer is book. Book spelling is B-O-O-K, book. Now 2 number question is, what do we use to throw garbage? Answer is dustbin. Spelling of dustbin is D-U-S-T-B-I-N, dustbin. And the 3 number question is, when do you have your dinner? When do you have your dinner? Answer is at night. A-T-N-I-G-H-T, night. Now 4 number question, which season do you like the most? Answer is spring. I have written here spring season. You can write as you like. Spring spelling is S-P-R-I-N-G, spring. Now students, come to here. This is 5 number question. What do we need to drink? Answer is water. Water spelling W-A-T-E-R, water. Now 6 number question. In which season is very hot? Answer is summer. Summer. Summer spelling S-U-M-M-E-R, summer. Now students, come to here. This is our last one word question. 7 number. What should we use while taking bath? Answer is soap. Soap spelling is S-O-A-P, soap. So dear students, that's it. I have finished today's topic. Now I will give you HW. Our today's HW number is 12 number HW, and your HW will be one word answer 1 to 5 number. Your HW will be one word answer 1 number to 5 number. So dear students, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practice it at home and do your assigned SW in your SW copy. So dear students, stay home and we'll see you again in our next class.